explore the fascinating world of gigantic creatures that roam our planet. In this video, we'll introduce you to 15 abnormally large animals that truly exist. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the unique characteristics and adaptations that set these colossal beings apart from the rest. Number 1. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have existed on Earth. These gigantic marine mammals can grow up to 100 feet, 30 meters in length, and weigh as much as 200 tons, 181 metric tons. Blue whales are predominantly found in the world's oceans, including the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Their massive size is supported by their watery habitat, as the buoyancy of water helps to bear their immense weight. Blue whales have a unique diet that consists mostly of tiny,